In this video, we will see SQL data types. Data types. What is data type? A data type defines what kind of data that column should hold. Data type defines what kind of data that column should hold. Now we will see different data types. First one is number, then char, varchar2, long, clob, date, timestamp. These are some data types in SQL. Number means it accepts only numbers. Accept only numbers. Char data type accept numbers, characters and special characters. Varchar2 also accept numbers, characters and special characters. Long data type also accept numbers, characters and special characters. Clob data type also accept numbers, characters and special characters. Date data type accept only date. Accept only date. Timestamp accept date with the time. Accept date with time. Number data type maximum size is 38. 38 numbers. It accept up to 38. Char data type accept up to 2000 characters. Varchar2 accept up to 4000 characters. Long data type accept up to 2 GB data. Clob data type accept up to 4 GB data. Number data type is variable length data type. This is variable length. Character data type is fixed length data type. Varchar2 is the variable length data type. Long clob also variable length data type. I will explain what is variable length, fixed length during the examples. Now we will see number data type. We will see number data type. Here I am giving maximum size 3. 3 indicates maximum size. Consider this is T1 table. It contains column A. It contains column ID. Okay, this ID column data type is number. Now I will insert 1. It will accept because 1 is the number. Now I will insert 10. That also will accept. 10 also number. Now I will insert 100. 100 also will accept. Now I will insert 1000. It will not accept because we have mentioned here 3. So this ID column accept up to 3 digits only. If you enter 4, 5, 6 digits more than 3 digits, it will throw error. It will not accept. I will insert one string. For example, I will insert good. It also will reject because it is not number. Number data type accept only numbers. Okay. Now I will insert one special character ash. This also will reject. It will not accept. Okay, now we will see. I will open SQL Developer tool. Currently I am connecting Oracle database. I will create one table. Create table. Table name is T1. Column name is ID. Data type is number. Now I am giving 3. Maximum size is 3. Table T1 created. Now I will insert records. Insert into table name values. First I will insert 1. It will accept. One row inserted. Now I will insert 10. This also will accept. One row inserted. Now I will insert 100. This also accepted. Now I will insert 1000. It will not accept. It will throw error. Here you can see here. Value 1000 greater than specified precision 3, 0 for column. We have mentioned 3 maximum size, but we entered 4 digits, so it's throwing error. Now I will insert good string, good character. I will insert good. It it also will not accept. If you click this one, it will clear the screen. Okay, I am getting some again error. Unable to convert string value containing G to a number. This string good unable to insert in T1 table because this is number data type. Now I will insert one special character. It also not accepted. It's throwing error. Unable to convert string value containing ash to a number. So from this example, we can conclude number data type accept only numbers. It is not accepting character and special character. Now I will select T1 table. Select star from T1. If you see here 1, 10, 100 available. Okay, if you see 1 accepted, 10 accepted, 100 accepted, this 1000 good hash not accepted. So number data type accept only numbers. Thanks for watching this video.